My name is Shahin, and today we'll talk about exponential decay and growth. What are exponential functions? An exponential function is a mathematical function of the following form: f of x equal ax, where x is a variable and a is a constant called the base of the function. The most commonly encountered exponential function base is the transcendental number. Definitions of both types of functions. Exponential growth. Exponential functions often involve the rate of increase of something. When it's a rate of increase, you have an exponential growth function. Exponential decay. In mathematics, exponential decay describes the process of reducing an amount by a consistent percentage rate over a period of time. Here's the formula of exponential growth. F of x is equal the exponential growth function. A is the initial amount. R is the growth rate, and x is the number of intervals. Here's a function. F of x equals a in brackets r plus 1 powered by x. Here are some examples of growth and decay. An example of growth is human population. As you can see here, the population is rising massively, and the chart keeps going up and up. And the other chart here, we have an example of decay. For an example, the rate of deaths in the population compared to the rate of population increase. Thank you. My name is Shahin. Great time.